I first started taking lessons with Carl in 2007. My mother and I decided that we needed to learn how to speak Spanish as I was buying a property in Spain, and we wanted to be able to integrate ourselves into the local community. Our house is in a small Spanish village and there are no English-speaking neighbours around us. We found Carl's techniques excellent because we weren't given lists of words to learn. From day one, we were actually using Spanish in a sort of conversational way. We did have to have homework, which we had to write down, but we did a lot of talking and listening to Spanish, including often he would play a CD with somebody singing in Spanish, and we'd listen and try and pick out words that were in that song and write them down. And in that way, he made it much easier for me to actually listen to people speaking Spanish and understand what they're saying. It's as important to be able to listen and understand as to be able to speak and give your point of view. I now have a lot of Spanish friends in Spain, and some of them do not speak English at all, but we converse in Spanish, we joke in Spanish, and although at times there'll be times when the conversation speeds up and words go over my head, but I can always get the gist of what's being said and I can always respond appropriately. So thank you, Carl, for helping me to learn Spanish.